1,000,000! 2,000,000! 3,000,000! At milyon-milyon palakpak para sa ating Visionary President, Dr. Ed Cabando!
Unbelievable. You're so unbelievable.
Good morning. Okay, take a seat. It's almost 11 o'clock and it's raining outside. Kaya tamang-tama, nandito lang kayo, hindi na kayo makakauwi. Are you learning? Yes! For the past few hours, you've been hearing lots of materials, lots of training about skills and how to transform, how to change for the better, skills and tips, how to be present in 2017 with gratitude, how to accept the facts, how to be happy and thankful with what we have right now, and how to look forward in the future. Everybody say future. My topic for today is about breakthrough. Everybody say breakthrough. Next slide. Breakthrough is a very powerful word. A lot of people undergoes breakthrough in so many ways, in so many patterns, in so many methods. One of the biggest charismatic organization here in the Philippines called El Shaddai, their leader has a breakthrough many years ago inside the jail. When he was at the lowest point of his life, he has a breakthrough. Most of the big leaders of influential organization, their top leaders went so much breakthroughs before they were able to create a huge organization. Now for business, sa negosyo po natin, kailangan din ng breakthroughs as a leader. Do you agree with me? For some other people, they're saying, Doc, bakit ang hirap mag-create ng malaking grupo? Bakit minsan nakaka-create na ako ng leaders or ng grupo, after some time, nawawala? Pamilyar po ba? After some time, dumadami naman, kaya lang may nalalagas. After some time, nagkakaroon ng konting momentum, tapos medyo naglalaylo. Pamilyar o pamilyar? For some other people, for some other leaders, they experience yan. And what you need basically are series and series of breakthroughs so that you can have momentum in your organization. I would like to share to you on the next slide is a story about the 4-minute mile. The 4-minute mile, many decades ago, used to be a legend. What do I mean by 4-minute mile? 1 mile is equals to 1,609 meters. For so many decades, the experts, the doctors, the sports doctors, they're saying, you cannot run a mile under 1 minute because your heart cannot accomplish that particular task. Some health authorities are saying, don't do it. It's dangerous. It's impossible. Your heart will explode if you try to do it. So for so many years in that particular decade, 1920s to 1950s, nobody has attempted to run and finish the race of 1 mile under 1 minute. And many athletes were saying it's impossible. The health authorities are saying it cannot be achieved. Until May 6, 1954, a person, an athlete named Roger Bannister, he has undergone series and series of trainings and series of breakthroughs. And on that particular momentous day, he was able to break the 4-minute mile, running it under 1 minute. And on that same year, another person was able to break the record. And the years that has passed by, hundreds if not thousands of runners have also broken the record. Nowadays, running 1 mile or 1,609 meters under 1 minute is just a normal thing to do for runners in high school here in the Philippines and in the US. So can you imagine for 30 to 40 years, there was this notion that a certain feat cannot be achieved because our bodies are not created to break that particular feat. But when one person, everybody say one person, when one person was able to achieve it, a lot of people have followed that task. A lot of people have achieved and succeeded in performing that feat or that task. What does it mean for us? Guys, many years ago, 11 years ago when we started this company, a lot of people were saying, hindi raw tayo magtatagal. Narinig niyo po ba yun? A lot of people are saying, sino ba yung mga may-ari? They're not even professional businessmen to run a corporation. Many have doubted us. Hundreds to thousands of people have doubted us. But look at us today. Next slide. Look at us today. What are the achievements of the company for the past 10 years? Just to summarize this. Okay, briefly, next. Number 1. What are the achievements of the company? Local and international expansion. We have company-owned branches here in the Philippines and BCOs nationwide. We have company-owned branches in Cebu, in Davao, in Jensan, in Baguio, in Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija, in Calao, in Las Piñas. And we're coming up with more branches. This coming year, like the one in Iloilo, it's going to be company-owned branch. We have around 130 BCOs nationwide. Nakakatulong po ba sa inyo ang presence natin nationwide? We have offices in other countries, Taiwan, Singapore, Brunei, Kuwait, UAE, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, in Nigeria, in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, Onitsha, and Kanu, in Ghana, in Togo, in Kenya, in Uganda, and this past few days and weeks, we just opened 4 countries. Everybody say 4. We just opened Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon. Nakakatulong po ba yung international expansion sa inyo? Both online and offline marketing. Your network have expanded in so many countries. Do you agree with me? There are even groups in our company that are focused in developing organization in Africa. Am I right? Nakafocus sila online marketing for Nigeria. Nakafocus sila online marketing for Africa, for Uganda, for Kenya. Okay, and I'd like to give you this tip. Build on Cameroon and Ivory Coast. But these 2 countries are French-speaking country. So make sure when you chat, dapat may translation. Translate into French or translate into English. Para pag chinat kayo in French, alam nyo kagad kung paano sumagot. Are you learning? Okay? What else? Next. Launch of innovative product lines. We have launched from food supplement to healthy beverages to cosmeceuticals to online products like our AIM World, the Cureleaf, the iProtect Home, and iProtect 24/7. We've launched these divisions to specifically market people on other parts of the world na wala tayong office, like US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the whole of Europe. And the network, okay, as we grow, maximizes its potential. What else? What else are the achievements of the company? Creation of 3 million distributors worldwide. Are you proud of this? That from the Philippines, we grow over a decade for 3 million. Okay, not only in the Philippines, not only in Asia, not only in the Middle East, but in Africa as well. So in these 3 continents, we're growing so fast. Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Because of these 3 million distributors worldwide, next, we also created millionaires and multi-millionaires. Kasama ka ba dyan? Yes! Yung gustong sumama sa millionaires, nasa kamay? Of course. And the goal is for each and every one of us, one day, to become a Millionaires Club member. Kasama ka ba next year? Okay, and it's our goal to empower you with skills, with knowledge on how to have a breakthrough in your life so that one day you can achieve the goals that you've set. You can achieve the dreams that you've set for the past few months, for the past few years. And that is our goal, to mentor you. That's why we have this team. The board of directors, the vice president, the marketing team, your uplines to support and mentor your group towards your goal. Next, we also achieve a lot of awards and recognitions, not only from local, but international bodies. Next, and also the or the erection of our AIM Beverage Manufacturing Facility in Giginto, Bulacan. As of we speak today, it's around 90 to 95% finished. Excited ka ba mag-tour sa AIM Beverage Manufacturing Facility? We will come up with a promo. Pag na-hit mo yan, meron kang free tour. So makikita mo kung paano ginagawa yung mga beverages natin. Okay, it's a beautiful state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, and we're also coming up with our headquarters in Bulacan because it's a 4,000 square meter facility along with our office. Next. The next 10 years. Everybody say next 10 years. Do you want to know what will happen within the next 10 years? For some other people, when they hear the next 10 years, Doc, parang matagal yata yan ah. Parang mahaba yata yan. Parang excited lang ako next year. Pero pag next 10 years, parang masyado yatang matagal, nakakainip. Guys, as a leader, you should not only think of what will happen to your group next month, or next 2 months, or next 3 months. You should always think of what will happen to your organization in years to come. Everybody say years. Yes. Long term. Visual. You envision what will happen to yourself or what will happen to your group within the coming years. Ask me why. Kapag ikaw nangarap ka ng kotse, hindi naman pwedeng bukas meron na. Tama o tama? Pag nangarap ka ng house and lot, hindi naman pwedeng next month, ayan na. Am I right? For our top leaders, it took them years, 5, 6, 7 years to build their mansion. Okay lang ba it will take you 5, 6 years pero mansion naman ang itatayo mo? Yes. You plan for that for years. So if your goal is to create a mansion, you should also want to know saan pa papunta yung company in years to come. With other companies, you ask them, within the next 10 years, ano ba plan ng company? Pag sinabing wala, ganyan lang. Mahirap magplano. Teka, kung ganyan lang, baka mamaya, kotse lang maplano ko. Baka pag ganyan, baka mamaya, pambayad lang ng utang ang plano ko. Pero kung mahaba yung mararating ng company, I can plan for so many things. Dream of bigger dreams because the company is growing strong. Because the company is moving forward. Because the company has a lot of dreams as well to accomplish with each and every one of you. Next. Now our goal is to have 3 B's. Bigger, better, bolder. Everybody say bigger. Everybody say better. Everybody say bolder. Ano pong ibig ko sabihin? Kung mangangarap ka na rin lang ng bahay, wag lang yung studio type. Do you agree with me? Ano yung studio type? Yung 30 square meters na pagpasok mo, may konting sala, may dining room, tapos may kwarto na. Yung tipong pag nadulas ka, from sala to CR, nandun na kagad. Kung mangangarap ka na rin ng bahay, okay ba may swimming pool? Kung mangangarap ka ng bahay, okay ba may konting garden? Kung mangangarap ka na ng bahay, okay ba may parking? At yung parking, pang-isa, pang-dalawa? Pang-dalawa. Bakit? Para pag coding, meron ka pang isa. Tama. That's why our goal should be bigger. Our goal should be better. Everybody say better. When I say better, better kung ano ka ngayon. Better kung anong meron ka ngayon. Kung meron kang bahay ngayon, pero maliit, you think of something bigger or nicer. Kung meron kang sasakyan ngayon, pero karag-karag, yung tipong isang kalawang na lang dinaandar. Mangarap ka ng brand new. Am I right? Kung may kotse ka ng brand new ngayon, okay bang mangarap ka ng isang sasakyan? Add more para may pang-coating. Bolder. Everybody say bolder. When we say bolder, you are brave enough to declare. Everybody say declare. To declare your dreams. Sasabihin mo sa mga kamag-anak mo, "Uy, next year may plano ako." O sige nga, ano plano mo? Next year, magsisimula na akong kumita ng malaki para sa mansyong kong bahay. Okay po ba yun? Kakalabitin mo yung mga kamag-anak mo at mga kaibigan mo, sabihin mo, "Uy, next year may plano ako." Ano yung plano mo? Magsisimula na ako magplano para kumuha ng brand new car. Because you're brave enough and you're bold enough to declare your dreams. Yung mga gantong bagay na pinag-uusapan natin, maririnig mo ba to sa ordinaryong empleyado? No. Ano yung pinag-uusapan ng ordinaryong empleyado? "Uy, next year, may trabaho pa kaya tayo? Uy, next year, i-increasean ba tayo ni boss? Uy, next year, hanap tayo ibang trabaho para mas malaki kita." Tama-tama. Ang ordinary employee, may pinag-uusapan bang pangarap? Wala. Mamamatay ang pangarap nila. But with us, we dare to dream. Everybody say dream. And our dreams are not only there to be set. Our dreams are bigger, are better, and we want to dare to become bolder with our dreams. Because we're dreaming big dreams. Am I right? For us to give you these dreams, gusto namin mas mabilis. Okay lang po ba yun? Mas mabilis. When we say mas mabilis, for the past 10 years, we've seen successful distributors. What do I mean? When we created the marketing plan 11 years ago, sa drawing board, ginawa po namin. When John, Francis, and I were talking about the marketing plan, we foresee already maraming kikita. And when we implemented it over the past 10 years, marami nga pong kumita. Naging multi-millionaires pa. Kumita ng milyon buwan-buwan. You've experienced that. You've seen that. You've seen them grow. You've seen them change. Pero habang nakikita namin yung marketing plan, we see some flaws. And we want to improve the marketing plan that we have so you can earn faster. Okay lang po ba yun? Para mas malaki pa yung kitain mo. Next slide, please. Our goal, with the new marketing plan, we intend to increase your income by 30 to 50% more with the binary, with the unilevel, and with the star step. Okay lang po ba yun? Gawa namin ang paraan na tumaas yung income nyo by 30 to 50% more. Why are we thinking about this? Because we feel the more you earn, the more you accomplish your goals and your dreams in a shorter period of time, mas mabilis tayong lalago. Locally and internationally. Am I right? Because right now, we already saw the benefits of the marketing plan for the past 10 years. And as a networker, nakikita namin, may pwede pa tayong i-improve. May pwede pa tayong gawa ng paraan para mas kumita pa kayo ng malaki. Maganda o napakaganda? Are you with us with this? Next. Therefore, starting January 15, 2017, we will dream bigger. We will become bolder. And we will dare to become better. Maraming changes ang mangyayari and definitely, it's for the better. Maganda o napakaganda? Excited ka na ba? Within the next coming days, ayan na. Within the next coming days, you will hear from your uplines the details of the new marketing plan and how you can earn 30 to 50% more with the binary, with the unilevel, and the star step. So always get in touch with your uplines. Excited ka na ba? What will happen for the next 10 years? This is the vision of the company, and hopefully, kasama namin kayo when each and every one of this unfolds, either one by one or all at the same time. This can happen next year, within the next 2 to 3 years, but definitely within the next 10 years, it will happen. Are you excited? Yes. Next. Our goal over the next 10 years is to come up with an entrepreneurship university. We want to professionalize the industry. That there will come a time, network marketing and direct sales will become as a course certified by this university. Maganda o napakaganda? This will be open not only for AIM Global distributors. This will open to the public. So they'll be aware, wow, may university na pala na nagtuturo ng tamang pag-network. So when they are approached with a networker, may pwede kang ipakitang certificate, graduate po ako. Eto, diploma ko. I'm a certified networker. Hindi po ako scammer. Hindi po yung company ko yung napa-TV last week. Iba po yun. Maganda, napakaganda. Because here in the Philippines, napakadaming scam. Baka pag nag-approach ka, sabihin, baka parang yan yung napanood ko last week. Nakakulong yung may-ari ngayon. Kawawa naman. Baka ganun din kayo. Hindi po, iba po kami. I have a certification to show you. Next slide. Our goal over the 10 years is to come up with an entertainment building. Sayang naman, di ba? Kung kayo saan kayo nag-stay na hotel, kung may hotel ng AIM Global, okay lang ba mag-stay doon? Over the next couple of years, it may happen within the next 2 years, our goal next is to come up with a real estate division of the company. Pag tinanong, saan ka nakatira? Sa C24/7 condominium. Penthouse. Okay po ba yun? Can you imagine if we will come up with our own real estate division? Pag nakabenta ka ng isang unit, may points. May binary, tsaka may unilevel points. Power o power? Ang dami nating opisina sa Singapore, sa Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Taiwan. Companies like SMDC, like Robinson, nagpupunta sa Singapore, sa Dubai, sa Canada, nag-o-offer ng condominium units. Am I right? Tayo may network na. Ba't hindi pa tayo ang magbenta nun? Para yung kita, yung income to its real sense, ibigay natin sa inyo. And these are two ways. Either condominium buildings or villages. Parang Malacamelia homes. Pag tinanong saan ka nakatira? Sa complete village. Anong street? Sa Perfect White Avenue corner, instant white. Ano meron doon? Ay, may Banco de Oro doon. May magandang clubhouse. May mga coffee shop pa. May groceries na rin. Okay na okay. Within the next 10 years, it can happen next, or within the couple of years next, our goal is to offer AIM franchise opportunities. Question, ang ating live-in, masarap o hindi masarap? Hinahanap-hanap o hinahanap-hanap? We're coming up with a freshly brewed live-in coffee. Pamilyar ba sa Starbucks? Starbucks, mura, mahal? Mahal. Pamilyar ba sa Boss Coffee? Boss Coffee, 50% cheaper than Starbucks. tayo 10 to 20% cheaper than Boss Coffee. Ano itsura niyan? Parang Boss Coffee, parang Starbucks. May free internet. Pag member ka ng AIM Global, may freebies tsaka may discount. Okay bang tambayan? The good thing about this, pag may nag-invest, sabi nga, gusto ko mag-invest sa Live-In Cafe franchise. Pag nagtanong yung investor, may iinom kaya? Ano tanong? Meron na wala? Madami o konti? Bakit? Madami na tayo eh. Tayo mismo, tatambayan natin yung bibili tayo doon. Am I right? Plus, our loyal customers would notice, teka, Live-In Cafe, yun yung binibenta sa akin linggo-linggo na instant Meron ng freshly brewed version. May name recall na. Tama. May branding na ika nga. So madali na lang. At pag may nag-invest ng franchise, again, may binary points at may unilevel step. Yan ang totoong franchise. Tama po ba? Hindi yung siomay. Squid balls. Ano? 16,000. Di ba, 2,000 lang yung stall, tapos bebenta mo 16,000. Ang dami nang may ganun. Di ba, may squid balls dito, squid balls dito. Tama po ba? Sa atin, kakaiba, Live-In Cafe. Healthy na cafe, healthy na coffee shop. Tapos may benefit pa sa mga distributors. Para yung distributors, talagang iinom dyan. So yung investor, madaling babalik yung investment nila, yung ROI mabilis. Maganda, napakaganda. Next, our goal within the next couple of years is to offer investment opportunities na legal. Ulitin ko, legal. Why are we emphasizing on this? Gusto mo ba yung pera mo sa bangko mas tumubo pa ng mas malaki? Siyempre naman. Sa bangko, kung may 1 million pesos ka, bibigyan ka ng 1% per year. Diyos ko po, 1% of 1 million is 10,000 pesos. Parang 800 pesos per month. May mga taxes pa and everything. Tapos nakalock-in pa yung pera mo, hindi mo pwedeng magalaw for the next 5 years. So masyadong maliit yung income ng pera. What if kumikita na kayong lahat ng 1 million naman? Saan nyo ilalagay? Ask me saan? Total, sa amin yun naman kinita. Baka gusto mo rin kaming pagkatiwalaan. May mga investment opportunities na pwedeng kumita ng 10, 20, 25% per year. Okay po ba yun? Watch out for that. Because we're studying the legalities of this here in the Philippines. In US, may mga ganyan na silang platform wherein people can also invest, making them earn a certain percentage better than what the bank can offer. Excited ka na ba? This next few years, ito na yung tinatawag na momentum years ng company. What do I mean? Amway. Are you familiar with Amway? Everybody say Amway. Amway is one of the biggest MLM direct sales company in this industry. When you study and research Amway, it took them 30 years. Everybody say 30. It took them 30 years to be present in 20 countries. 30 years to be present in 20 countries. Tayo, after 10 years, we are present in 16 countries. Amway, it took them 30 years. After 30 years from 1959, they started 1959. After 30 years, they created their own hotel in Michigan. After 40 years, they bought an NBA team called Orlando Magic Team. Yung isa sa may-ari ng Amway ang may-ari nun. Can you imagine? All of this may benefit ang Amway distributors. Our goal is to do the same. We want to create other businesses wherein ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang makikinabang. Next. So going back, next. Going back to our goal, to become bigger, to become bolder, to become better. Next year, we intend to basically create an innovative marketing plan. Let me ask you this. Kung hindi problema sa iyo ang pera, kung hindi problema sa iyo ang oras, dalawang bagay. Hindi problema ang pera, hindi problema ang oras, ano ang ginagawa mo sana? Ano ang ginagawa mo sana sa oras mo? Kung hindi problema ang pera, hindi rin problema ang oras, ano ang gusto mong ginagawa?
Amen.
I can hear you.
Amen.
Ano raw?
Amen.
Travel. Okay lang ba next year naka-incorporate sa marketing plan libreng travel? Pag nag-accumulate ka ng X amount, may local o international trips. Power o power? So we're incorporating it to our marketing plan. Para na sa ganun, libre na yung travel mo. Kung sakaling sawang-sawa ka na dyan, pwede mong ipasa sa downline mo. Kung gusto mong pagkakitaan, ibenta mo sa customer. Okay po ba yun? Since you're creating a huge organization, we felt that travel is important. Either for business sake or for leisure. Eh yan naman ang gusto natin. Kung hindi rin lang problema ang pera at oras, hindi nagta-travel tayong lahat. Okay lang bang magkaroon ng travel incentive? Lagi, part ng marketing plan, local. Okay lang bang samahan ng international? Abangan nyo yan, January 15, 2017. Are you excited with this? Again, our goal is to create breakthroughs. The company has undergone through series of breakthroughs from day one. Ang dami nagsabi, first year, magsasara na AIM. Nakalampas tayo sa first year. Sabi, magsasara din yan second year. Hanggang 5th year, lagi niyang sinasabi, nung makalagpas na ng 6th year, tumahimik na. Ika 7th year, sila na nagsara. Ika 8th year, nakatatlong kumpanya na sila. Ika 9th year, ayaw na nila mag-network. Habang tayo buhay at malakas na malakas pa. So, with the plan in store for the company over the next 10 years, ang tanong, titingin ka ba sa iba? Hindi na! With your group, focus on your group. Give them the vision of the company. Give them your vision as an upline. Give them your vision of the founder of your organization. So that they could see one day they can be bigger. One day they can be bolder. One day they can be better than who and what they are right now. Do you want to become bigger? Do you want to have better dreams? Do you want to have bolder organization? I would like to leave you with these 3 words. Dream big dreams. Dream big dreams. Everybody say dream big dreams. Mangangarap ka na rin lang, lakihan mo na. Ang pangarap mo ba may bayad? Pag sinabi ni upline, umupo tayo, pag-usapan natin ang pangarap mo, isulat mo, may bayad ba yun? Wala rin namang bayad. Gawa mo na ng malaking pangarap. Gagawa ka na rin lang ng vision board. Lakihan mo na yung dream board, vision board mo. Ilagay mo na pati pangarap ng mga magulang ng mga kapatid mo. Ask me why? With the new marketing plan that we have, lahat ng pangarap ng buong barangay, kaya-kaya. So kung lahat ng pangarap ng buong barangay, dibit-bitin ng barangay. Tama po ba? So we dare to dream more. We become bolder by dreaming more, accomplishing it 1 year at a time. One accomplishment, one dream at a time. Natutuwa po kami kapag yung mga pangarap nyo natutupad. Kapag nakaka-receive kami ng text, Doc, may naglabas na naman ng kotse sa grupo ko. Doc, remember yung nagtitinda sa palengke, may kotse na. Doc, yung tambay sa kanto, kumikita na ng malaki. Those are the things that makes us work more. Yun yung mga hindi nagpapatulog sa amin sa gabi. Why? Because we want to become better. We want to serve you more. We want to train you more. We want to mentor you more so your group can grow so fast. Not only in the Philippines but in other parts of the world. Malaki pa ba ang Pilipinas? So much market here in the Philippines. So much market in Asia. So much market around the world. All you need to do is just to learn. Everybody say learn. Learn more skills. Learn more skills about online. Learn more skills about offline. Mahirap matuto ng online kung yung offline hindi mo alam. Most of the time, you need to learn both. Apply them both. Roll it out to your group so your group can grow not only offline but online as well. Because as your group will grow, yan din yung iduduplicate ng grupo mo sa ibang bansa. Tama o tama? Natutuwa ako yung ibang grupo talagang gumagastos. The other day, may mga leaders na pumunta sa office ko, nagpapa-video. Gagamitin nila yung video for marketing of their presentation for Africa. It's specific. Why? Because they want their group to grow online in other countries. Same goes with you. Your goals, your dreams should be specific. Saan papunta grupo mo? The company is growing so fast, aggressively towards this direction. Please, again, I repeat, please grow with us towards this direction. Ang company po, lumalaki. Araw-araw, there's so many people joining, buying the products, people from all walks of life, iba-ibang lahi. Kung makikita nyo lang po yung cellphone ko, Nepalese, Indiano, Pakistani, araw-araw. Nasa Pakistan, lumilipad pa ho ng bansa para lang bumili ng products. People from Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, people from Rwanda, lumilipad pa papunta sa Uganda, bumili lang ng products. What do I mean by this? Stories. These are people who are not Filipinos. These are people from Africa and from Middle East. People who haven't even gone here in the Philippines. People who haven't even seen us, who haven't heard our vision for the next 10 years. And yet, they're doing the business. Seriously. Seriously. Ikaw nasa Pilipinas ka na. Narinig mo from us how we want to grow over the next 10 years. You've seen the successful distributors. Narinig mo na si Upline kung paano kumita. Nakita mo na si Upline kumikita ng malaki. Or nakita mo na si Upline, tama pala yung kinikita. You've seen the changes. The question is, ikaw ba magpapa-petix pa?
Hindi.
Ikaw ba magpapa-part-time pa? New Year! Malapit na, 2017, few days na lang. New dreams, bigger, better, bolder. Ang question, pagpasok ng bagong taon, ikaw, seryoso o hindi seryoso? If you want to have breakthroughs personally in your organization, you need to be serious. Everybody say serious. You need to be serious. How can you become serious? Number one, dedicate more time with your business. Everybody say more time. More time with your business. Paano ka magdededicate ng more time sa business mo kung ikaw part-time? Tama. So yung mga part-timers pa, may oras ka pa para mag-resign. Pagkakuha mo ng Christmas bonus, saka year-end bonus, sabay resign. Do the business full-time. Ask me why. Magmo-momentum na company, hindi ka pa magsaseryoso.
Yes!
Ang dami nang mas bibilis ang kitaan, 30 to 50% faster, quicker, bigger. Hindi ka pa magsaseryoso. Kailan? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan? Guys, we're so serious about this. This is our bread and butter. Iniisip namin ng mga paraan, paano pa kayo matulungan? And this is it. It will happen January 15 next year. So abangan niyo yan. This coming kick-off training, January 12 or 13. Kick-off. The kick-off training, you will see the detailed marketing plan that we installed for you. Guys, I'm so happy that I've seen you for the last time, this 2017. I pray to God that each and every one of you, this next year, will have a bigger and bolder and better dreams. We have a bigger, better, bolder organization to accomplish. Sabay-sabay nating abutin ang malaki natin at pangarap sa In-Global. Guys, I'm so happy. I pray to God that all of us will have a peaceful new year, a healthy new year, so that all of us can achieve our dreams once again this coming new year. Happy New Year po! God bless each and every one of us.
Yes!